bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
To cook a Butterball turkey, start by thawing it in the fridge for several days, depending on its size. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Remove the turkey from its packaging, and take out the neck and giblets. Pat the turkey dry with paper towels, then season the cavity and skin. Place it breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan. Tent with aluminum foil to prevent over-browning. Cook based on weight, generally about 15 minutes per pound. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safety.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.